Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Appe Recipe with coconut chutney, which is a classic comforting South Indian breakfast combination. Appe recipe is fluffy round dumpling that are crispy from outside and soft on the inside. They match perfectly with a mild spice, refreshing flavor of traditional coconut chutney. Ingredients needed for this Appe recipe is 1 cup of semolina or rava, also known as Suji, half cup of yogurt, finely chopped onions, chopped green chilies, half tablespoon of salt, oil for cooking and coconut for chutney. Also ginger garlic paste needed. First step is to prepare the batter for Appe recipe. Mix semolina or rava, yogurt, salt and water in a bowl to form a thick batter. Rest this batter for about 15 minutes. Just before cooking, stir it again and add baking soda to make the batter airy and fluffy. To make a coconut chutney with Appe recipe, add grated coconut, roasted chana dal, green chilies, garlic, chilies, salt to the blender jar. Add little water and blend into smooth paste. Transfer to the serving bowl. Grind all the ingredients in the blender jar to form the thick paste of coconut and other ingredients. Next step is to prepare the temperings. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. After mustard seed starts crackling, add cumin seed and mix it well. Add garlic paste and mix with mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add curry leaves and fresh green coriander leaves. Mix it and stir it well again. Pour the coconut mixture to the pan and mix it well with all ingredients. Keep it thick to enjoy the hot appes. Pouring the blended coconut chutney directly from the grinder jar into the warm pan is an excellent technique. Stir quickly to combine the chutney with oil, mustard seeds and curry leaves. In the meantime, Appe batter is rest for 15 minutes. This allows the semolina or rava to absorb the yogurt and water. After resting, if batter is too thick, add few tablespoons of water. This consistency should be thick but pourable, similar to idli batter. Just before cooking, stir in 1/4 tablespoon of fruit salt or ENO with tablespoon. Then mix well. Make a appe light and fluffy. Heat a appe pan on medium-low heat. Add few drops of oil into each cavity. Pour the batter into each mold, filling them only up to the brim to allow room for rising. Cover the pan with lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the bottom is golden brown and crispy. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Drizzle the little oil on top of each appe and flip them over using a spoon or fork. Cook the other side. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes without lid until the golden brown and cook thoroughly. Use wooden fork or spoon to gently flip each appe over in its cavity. Drizzle 2 to 3 drops of oil around the edge of each flip appe to ensure the crispy texture. Keep the flame on medium-low to prevent the surface from burning before the center cooks through. Leave the pan uncovered during this stage so the steam escapes, which keeps the outer layer crispy. Let them cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. Insert the toothpick into the center of one appe. It must come out clean without any wet batter. Lift them out of pan immediately once both sides turn golden brown to avoid overcooking. Cook the next batch with the same process above. Appe pairs perfectly with variety of traditional chutneys like coconut chutney or hot sambar. Best pairing, its creamy fresh profile cuts right through the crispy fried exterior of the appe. Appe recipe perfectly match with the coconut chutney. If you like this appe recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.